Hello y'all, this is Quita with the Quitassential Life, and I am coming to you today with another Chronicles video. This is a cooking video. I'm using some leftovers from 6 months ago. I'm taking some frozen, rock solid frozen round roast and putting, some veggies in there, little bits of seasoning, but the real thing is the secret sauce. So about 6 months or so ago, I cooked a prime rib, and I saved the juice because there was lots left over and froze it. Well, that's the secret sauce that's going in this roast. When I cooked that prime rib, I roasted the garlic. I made my own garlic olive oil, so those juices should be just wonderful. They smell great. That's what you'll see me adding in to the roast as the liquid and a little bit of beef stock. I really shouldn't have to season much because I seasoned that roast well. So hang out with me so you can see what I'm doing in this Cooking Corona Chronicles series. Okay, so I am about ready to put everything in my Ninja Foodie. This is the bowl it all goes in. I have that. I have my frozen roast from Costco. And this is leftover bits from a prime rib that I cooked. So that's going to be, and there's just little chunks in there along with the wonderful sauce and seasoning. So that's going to make this roast extra special. And I've got my onion, celery, and this is garlic. So I'm about to assemble that in the pot and show you. Hang on. Okay, so far I've got this in my pot. I forgot the little potatoes, but we've got this going in the pot and I'm about to add the roast. Okay, so you see I've gotten my roast in here. They are frozen solid, as you can hear. I can't even tear them apart because I wanted to, but they're too frozen to do that. Now I am going to try to handle this by hand. I'm adding a little A1. Not much because the seasoning is in the secret sauce I'm about to give you. Little accent. Believe it or not, I haven't used this in many years. But I saw somebody pick it up in the store the other day. This is Ian Perrin's Worcestershire. Coating that. This is steak seasoning. Truly, this is a lot of meat, so you need a lot of seasoning, but the seasoning is in the secret sauce. And this is olive oil that I'm adding in. Okay, next step. So we are in our Ninja Foodie now. I'm about to add some beef stock. Here's what we're looking like. I am going to put a little more liquid in with the beef stock. I think that is plenty. We are going to put our pressure cooker top on. Give me a second, y'all. I'm filming with one hand. Now we are getting our pressure cooker top. And making sure we got the top. We are locking it. We are making sure it is on seal, not vent, but seal. And we are going to set this. So we're turning it on. We're setting it for pressure. It's on high. And I am going to set this for 25 minutes under pressure. And start. So that little circling on the Ninja Foodie just tells you that it is working on getting up to pressure. Once it gets to the proper pressure, it will cook for 25 minutes and then it will release the steam and we'll see what we got. Okay, we have finished and it's been warming. Oh, it hasn't dropped yet. Okay. Right here, that little thing needs to drop even though the venting has taken place, so it's not allowing me to open. So we have to wait for that. I didn't notice that. When it stopped, I thought it was done. Okay. As soon as I turned the camera off, it dropped. So, let's see what we look like in here. All right. And here we are. Ooh, my camera's getting fogged up. from the heat. You see that easily coming up? Ooh, I got to stop that. I am going to take the fork and shred this a little and be right back. Okay. Okay, I have taken 2 forks and just shredded some of the roast. It tastes good, it smells good, it looks good. I've got lots of juice here. I'll be freezing some of this. You don't want to waste none of this great stuff. I'm going to plate this up and take some pics for you guys. And this was my final result. It was absolutely scrumptious. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. Please come back soon. Like, subscribe, share, and save. Bye-bye now.